this is Dr. Mason Connolly from Back Pain Relief Chiropractic. I'm here with Jennifer, who comes in today with a little bit of low back pain, and she's also feeling like she's starting to develop a headache. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how we do an adjustment here today. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to have her lay down here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do an adjustment here in my office. Go ahead and palpate through here. See how everything's feeling. All right, I'm going to start right up here. Maybe take a nice deep breath in. All the way out for me. Good. And again for me. Great. Deep breath in all the way out. Good. Nice deep breath in. All the way. Good. All right, stay right there. I'm going to do a little bit of acupuncture to you. This acupuncture to help kind of balance these muscles out, get them to relax a little better for you. All right, let me be laying your side and face me over this way by the door. All right, just gonna tuck your foot right behind your knee. I'm gonna take your shoulder for balance here. A little bit of a push. Good. All right, let me have you face the other way. All right, let me take this side, tuck that foot right back there. Take that shoulder for balance. Didn't get that one, let's do it again. Just relax for me. Great. All right, go ahead and lie on your back for me. All right, let me move your neck around here. You just relax. Just relax. Great. And do this other side. Good. Stay right there. Let me do a little bit of stretching on your neck for you. Going to stretch your neck forward here. You just relax. Good. Just let that whole weight of your head fall back to my hands. Good. All right, let me help you sit up here. Sit right here on this one for me. And let me do this ear acupuncture to you. Get some more muscle relaxation happening. All right, how'd that feel? Good. Feel better?
Yeah.
Good, that's what we're looking for. All right, well, I'm Dr. Mason Connolly from Back Pain Relief Chiropractic. Thanks for watching.